AEC. AEC means Ion English class. It will educate you. I am your Fairoz Banu. After watching this AEC, like, share and subscribe. Today I am going to give you summary of this lesson, Sea Turtles in grade 6 English. So this is lesson 1, Sea Turtles. This lesson is about sea turtles which are different from tortoise that we see in a zoo or a reptile park. Turtle belongs to reptile family. Turtle belongs to reptile family. Now I am going to give information about Shekhar Dattatri. Shekhar Dattatri writes popular articles on wildlife conservation and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. He is the author of this lesson, Sea Turtles. Now I am going to give you summary of this lesson. There are 3 sections given in this lesson. We will see one by one. There are 7 species of sea turtles, out of which 5 are seen in India. The olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback. The turtles are huge and weigh between 35 kg and 35 kg and 700 kg. The largest sea turtle is the leatherback, which is 2.2 meter long and 700 kg in weight. Sea turtles come to the shore to lay their eggs. Except olive ridleys, other species have become rare in India. Mass nesting or aribada is phenomenon that occurs in Odisha and other 2 places in the world where olive ridleys come ashore alone to lay their eggs. Out of 5 turtle species, the olive ridleys is still commonly seen nestling on sandy beaches all along our coast. We are going to see section 2. In this section, we are going to learn about the female olive ridleys. Female olive ridleys come ashore at night between the month of January and March. With great difficulty, they haul itself onto the beach and choose a spot well away from high tide to lay eggs. They scoop out a nest cavity 45 cm deep. They lay about 100 eggs at one time. After covering the nest with sand, it returns to the sea. Not all eggs hatch. Most of the eggs are traced and eaten by men and animals. Animals like dogs, pigs, it will eat the eggs. After 45 to 60 days, eggs hatch and the hatchling hurry to the sea. Now we are going to see section 3. In this section we are going to see about olive ridley hatchlings. Okay, the hatchlings weigh 20 grams each. All hatchlings do not survive. Most of them are eaten by crabs or birds before they reach the sea. If so, they reach the sea, it will be eaten by predators. It is said that 1 of 1,000 hatchlings become an adult. After many years, the female hatchling that have become adult come to the same shore where it was born to lay eggs, which is still a mystery. Nowadays, sea turtles are slowly becoming extinct due to greed of men and other factors like pollution, dumping of plastics. Only the change in the attitude of men will help the survival of turtles. Thank you. Bye.